Craving fluffy pancakes? Let's whip some up from scratch in just a minute. Gather around and let's line up the essential ingredients for pancakes. Make sure you have everything ready. Start by whisking the dry ingredients together in a bowl. This is where the magic begins. In another bowl, combine buttermilk, egg, melted butter, and a splash of vanilla. This mix will add moisture and flavor. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry. Stir gently until just combined. Remember, lumpy is good for fluffy pancakes. Heat a skillet over medium heat and add a little butter. Let that skillet sizzle before the batter hits. Pour a quarter cup of batter for each pancake. Cook until bubbles form on top, then flip. Cook for 1 more minute until they are golden brown. Perfect pancakes are just a flip away. And there you have it, fluffy pancakes. Serve them up with syrup or your favorite toppings. Enjoy your delicious creation.